It's a 2018 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Smart device navigation, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, selective service internet access, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and LED low and high beam headlights. Of the Camry, Edmunds.com highlights the comfortable and spacious interior with above average rear seat space, good visibility, and user-friendly interior controls. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.